How to find Shein item number or product code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find Shein item number or product code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Shein app. After you open it up, make sure that you're logged in into your account. So after you open it up, you can simply search for any product that you want. After you find a product that you like, you can open it up. After you open it up, you can then scroll down. Here you can see details for the product, and after you scroll down, there you will see an option called description. Tap on description, and after you tap on it, you'll get this little page right here. Now on the bottom of this, you'll find an option called item ID. Now that is the item number or product code for this very product. So there you will find the copy button as well. You can tap on copy to copy the number, and that's basically how you find Shein item number or product code. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.